I did my speech on animal testing, and I believe that animals should not be used for scientific or commercial testing because it's cruel and inhumane to experiment on animals. Also, alternative methods are available for researchers that could replace animal testing. And animals are so different from human beings that research on animals often yields irrelevant results. My argument is that it's cruel and inhumane because subjecting animals to cruel treatment and environment for our benefit isn't right. The Department of Agriculture reported in 2010 that 97,123 animals suffered pain during experiments while being given to no amnesia for relief. Also, animal testing puts animals at risk to negative side effects or death. And I wouldn't want to put my animal through this either. Like, being a pet owner, I have 3 dogs and 2 cats, and I just think it's like unfair to put them in that kind of environment and situation. And like people, we should treat them how we want to be treated because they're also living organisms too. And animals suffer like humans do, so it's not right to experiment on them while we refrain from experimenting on humans. Most experiments involve animals are flawed, wasting the lives of animal subjects, and it's just like not fair to them. So the Animal Welfare Act has not succeeded in preventing animal abuse in laboratories. In March 2009, the Humane Society of the United States found 338 possible violations of the Animal Welfare Act at the federal-funded New Iberia Research Center in Louisiana, and alternative methods are available. So, like, we shouldn't test on animals when we really don't have to. So, they saw, like, they could take cell cultures in a petri dish, and it, like, produces more relevant results than animal testing because human cells can be used. And also, like, with animals, we don't know if, like, they're not as close to humans as we think they are. So being able to, like, test human cells in a petri dish and not harming animals and not harming humans, it just seems like a more logical and morally right thing to do. So therefore, I believe that animal